Hello, and today we are going to unbox my shipment from Mystery Tackle Box. Happy fishing. Let's see here. It's like a Christmas present every month. Oh, look, the ugly fishmas. Thermal Neko. Looky here, fleece in it, and then you got your little bass on there. Where it is a nice neck warmer. Now let's see what else we got in here. First, I'm going to start off with the Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Now I'm going to go down to Tennessee, me and my family. I'm going to do a slam with Mystery Tackle Box and see if I can catch some smallmouth or whatever in Tennessee. Now this is the MTB Pro. You got your roller on there, contest stuff. Oh, here, let's see. This is the V&M J-Bug in watermelon red. It is like a, here, hold on. Oh, it says Super Sim. So, oh man, that is good right there. Good trailer, or maybe just put it on a Texas rig it. Will be nice. Lunker Hunt Kraken Popper. There we go. And now this is like a foam. Nice colors when it gets wet. It has a feather in the back to look like a tail, and it pops. And these Lunker Hunts are known to pop really good. Kraken series. Now this is for the month of December, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me check. Anyways, I got a live target swim bait in the gizzard shad. Nice little swim bait right here. You can put an extra hook if you want to, but this is a nice big hook. You got the weed guard on it, the hollow tail, which flaps. This is a slow rate. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Hold on. Next, we got the Mustad KVD Elite Series Treble, size 8. Made in Norway. Let's see. Can't smell these, so let's feel them. But decent size. Very nice sharp point on them, like KVD would want it. A sledgehammer in 3/8 ounce, and it has the special jig holder, trailer holder, which is a toothpick design. Catchco the Hunch. I like this. I like the colors of it, and I like how it has a rattle, but yet it's a crankbait you can use. Well, a jerk bait. Yeah, jerk bait. Nice rattles. Let's see, what else is there about this? I like how it has the hump, the eyes, and the coloration. It goes from like a real mysterious blue to a purple, and then it goes back to like a little blue stripe to a green, and then it has like a blue underbody on it. So this is definitely going to be a good one in the rivers or whatever. And do keep in mind, this is not sponsored yet. Next is the Lunker Hunt Popping Frog. Now this is the one where the legs go like it's contracted, and it goes out, 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 in. So let's see if I can get this. This is a 1/4 ounce. This is really tiny, but it's, see, you can pop it. Nice flexibility, and see, watch. And it withdraws. I gotta admit, these are sharp hooks. Can you see that right there? That is sharp. No bassy bass is gonna run away with this. And now we have a beautiful smallmouth sticker. Might put this on my truck or something. Gives you what's inside, rigging stuff. And then you get Dibble Digest, which is the magazine that Mystery Tackle Box gives to you. Anyways. Yeah, that's just something saying on what I got in here. And a welcome aboard thing. And it has Carl Von Dibble on the other KVD. This is the Fall Favorites package. Oh, but I'll get hooked. Anyways, we got a Catch Co sticker, which is the company that makes Mystery Tackle Box. The Flash Minnow. This is a JDM lure. It has a special design on it where it goes under and then it goes like this, up and then over. And I wish I could read Japanese, but I can't. And I like the coloration on it. It gives you a nice little flash for a bit. Glass rattles, and it's 8.5 grams. Made in Japan. I don't know what that is in American ounces. The Double Plopper by River to Sea. I think this is the 140. Yep, 148, sorry. This is definitely a good one. I mean, bass. You can even do muskie or pike or whatever will want to bite this. Then you got the River to Sea Goon. And something I noticed about these River to Seas, I actually like it. This is 15/16 ounce. So this is nearly an ounce casting. On these, as you can see on the eyes, right there, and on this one, it has their logo. See the 2?
Push it down.
See the 2? On the River to Seas, it has their 2 in there. River to Seas logo. This has a nice shad coloration. Has the black on it. Oh gosh, sharp hooks, definitely, and it's a medium runner, so definitely gonna be using this one. Catch maybe probably a largemouth on it, maybe a smallmouth. Oh no. Maybe I might catch a 10-pounder since it is 10 a sea. You got the later. Oh, it's a Scott Martin lures. Scott Martin. Oh, nope. This is Larry Wahlberg, his creation. So it's not completely off. Oh no, this is Cliff Case. That's an ordering form. Ah, here we go. Let's see what this thing is. I'm pretty sure this is Venom Baits, Wild Thing Cliffs, Wild Craw. I like these pearls in here. I tried it on a jig, but it's too big. So, I'm going to use it as a Texas rig or by itself. These are the Venom Baits Straight Wild Worm, and this is black, blue, and these are 8.5 inches long. It sort of smells like maple syrup. I wish you could be here to smell them. They're actually pretty good. Here, camera. Here, smell it, camera woman.
No, thank you. No, lovely.
Well, bass like it. So, you got like a normal type of start on a worm. Then you got where it shimmies down like a fluke. It got the belly, and then it has like a trick worm or a plasma tail like on the back. I don't see a couple largemouth hit that. Probably not smallmouth. And this is the Bass Dynasty Bass Attractant. And the sample flavor is bluegill. Ugh. Well, I guess bass like it. Oh, I ordered this. Sorry, I retaped it because it's so fun to reopen and reopen. This is a rod glove. I got the casting one. It can fit up to a 7.6. I have a 7.4, but it doesn't fully cover it. See, it just means it covers the rod tips and all that. But this 6-footer, sorry. Let's see here. See, it protects your eyelets, your tip. See, look, it's like a big shoelace almost. And look how protected it is. Down here. Pan. Look how nice. I like that. But see, if you could maybe add like a rods, like a little strap over here or something, that would be 100. Well, I'm not saying that it isn't good, but that would maybe improve it. But I like it, so I'm not going to complain. Okay, and I think I've made this maybe $3. No, not $3, $8 or $10. So I went out and I said, well, I'm going to do a challenge in the future, $20 Walmart fishing challenge. So I made a list and all that, but then I just decided $10 or less. I got these trout hard baits, and what I love is, I mean, yeah, these are tiny, but I love these little crankbaits in here. Let me show them to you. Oh my gosh, I love these crankbaits. And I'll give you a colorful one. It has a rattle in it. Very tiny. And just one little hook. Smack dab, well, not smack dab in the center, but close to the butt where the anal hole usually is on the fish. So it's pretty exotic. Let's see here. Got some split shots. I just needed those for my tackle box. Oh, I got a bumblebee spinnerbait for $1. I like it. It's black and it has yellow in it, so it's the bumblebee color. One big Colorado blade on it. Yeah, Colorado. Honestly, nice hooks and all that for $1. And let's see. Oh, here we go. This is a Bitsy jig by Strike King. No sponsorship there either. Not yet. 1/4 ounce. I don't know what color this is. I guess it would be like a Carolina. Like, it has orange and it has like a dinge and then it has like a copper head. I don't know what you would call it. It has a nice weed guard. I like it. And a very nice hook. I will be posting more videos this week. And don't know when it'll come out. I will be doing the Mystery Tackle Box Slam. Fishing with the Mystery Tackle Box Slam. Maybe a fishing challenge, because there's a Bass Pro down in Tennessee that I'm hitting up. What else? Yeah, there's going to be a lot more videos now. It's going to be more and more. And this is Will Sweeney's Real Fishing, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.